Hello, my name is Serena Candello, and I play Belle on MOSI Moo. And here we are on the set. I have taught creative dance to preschoolers for a very long time. It is my hope that Belle's creative dance tips will give you the confidence and inspiration to integrate dance into the young child's world, whether you use it in an educational or recreational capacity. As we work with little ones, there are 5 simple golden rules that I try to remind myself each and every day when working with children. I hope that these rules inspire you as much as they have inspired me. The number 1 rule: the children we care for are the most important people in the world. When I show up to guide young dancers, the little beings that are in front of me, whether they're viewers at home or in the dance studio, are the most important beings in my world at that moment. This is my best practice. Each and every time I show up to teach and guide little ones to dance their best and feel empowered, feel safe, happy, and ready to dance.